Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn your black and white photos colorful in Canva. So I'm just going to select a picture from Canva itself here. I'm going to go to the app section here and I'm going to select Colorize. Then I'm going to select Open. Then I'm going to select Colorize and Replace, and it's going to basically color the image that I have on Canva right now. It does take a few minutes to colorize, so just be patient. I don't know how well it's gonna work because the photo isn't super bright. Okay, let's not select that again. I'm just going to wait a few minutes and I'll be right back with the finished. Oh, never mind, it's here. And it's been colorized. It's not super accurate, as you can see. Let's try another one and see what will happen on this one. It was supposed to be red, but it's not super accurate, but I guess this is a good way to colorize your image. See, this one worked. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!